going on, everyone? Jake Morgan, Shady Creek Marina, El Dorado, Kansas. I got a windy day out here, so I'm gonna try and just not talk on this one and do an overview of the condition and quality. This is a 2023 SunCatcher Select 322 RC. This is a used boat that we sold new. This has been used in our rental fleet. We sold it to the Marina and we've serviced it. This is used in the rental fleet and it has 75 hours on it. That's about all I'm going to do. I'm going to point out a couple little nicks in the upholstery and two minor spots. I just cleaned this thing, so I just went over it. And yeah, other than a couple little spots, which I will point out in this video, it's in great shape. Boat's going to go up for sale soon. Alright, that wraps it up for the outside. Some nicks in the decals. Lower unit got whacked. The skeg did, but that is not nearly enough for me to want to fix it. That is not a big deal. You wouldn't even notice if I didn't point it out. 75 hours on the engine. Like I said, I did run it earlier today, hooked it up, did a full diagnostic download on it, which I'd be happy to share with anyone that wants it. Here is probably the worst spot. That sucker right there. I don't know what did that. Anchor, possibly, boot heel, I don't know. But yeah, the upholstery, overall condition, still great. These G3s are tough, and that is why we like to rent them. There is a little bit of discoloration from something right here that I cannot tell if that's going to pick up on camera or not. It's pretty light, and stuff like that continues to fade over time. And there was this one. Right here is a little mark on the corner right there. And then that is, come on, there we go. That's a little mark right there. About that big. Yeah, the boat's in pretty dang good shape. All right, folks, that's what I got for you. Thanks for watching. If I'm not muted by this point in the video, come check us out on a less windy day and we can go for a boat ride. Thanks.